What's up, YouTube? So the information that I give to you is based on experience and knowledge. So if you have a GDI engine, gas direct engine, boosted turbo engine, the intake valves get carboned up so soon and the dealer is not advising you how to maintain that engine properly. I know it costs a little bit more money, but every time that you come in for maintenance, and I'm not saying every 10,000 miles, I'm saying you should be changing your oil at 3,000 miles. I don't care what kind of engine you have, what kind of oil you're using, every 3,000 miles. This will reduce blow-by, this will reduce sludge and carbon buildup, this will reduce internal engine wear, this will reduce your piston rings from sticking and having oil consumption go on with your engine. And also use premium grade gasolines, and if you can't afford to do that and it's not in your budget, buy yourself some Tektron fuel injector cleaner. It goes a long way and it's cheaper than buying a tank of super. You can actually chemically enhance your fuel that you're putting in your car with Tektron products. And we're seeing cars as low as 40,000 miles with tremendous amounts of carbon buildup on the valves, fouled spark plugs, intake manifolds that are full oil, full carbon, intake ports that are full of carbon. And this is a simple procedure. You can do it yourself, or you pay a professional to do it. It is dangerous. If you don't do it right, you can damage your engine. You can damage your engine if you do not do it right. Or in worst cases, you drive it until the engine has problems, misfires. Now you need spark plugs. Now you need walnut blasting or scraping the intake valves. And then worst of all, because you had misfires, it ruined the catalytic converter. Now you're taking a simple maintenance service that, in my professional opinion, should be done every 10,000 miles. Every 10,000 miles. If you bring it into a shop like mine, there's simple processes that we can perform that will help cleanse and continue to cleanse that carbon buildup. And if you're going to just continue to ignore it, it's just the lease and I don't care. Yeah, so then the next person's going to be stuck with that problem. But if you want to keep your car, it is your second biggest investment next to your home. And I'm trying to teach you and educate you on how not to be in my shop or the dealership or any place else and hear that you need a cylinder head, or you need walnut blasting, or you need your valve scraped, and you need spark plugs, and you need a catalytic converter. And all those I needs cost thousands of dollars. And you know what? What doesn't cost thousands of dollars? Let me just show you. Simple maintenance every 10,000 miles. Simple maintenance. See that? Simple maintenance. Okay, and then I also have a secret weapon that I use. That stuff actually helps loosen it. And then I have another secret weapon that I use that disintegrates it. Okay, I'm not going to go through that process, but I'm actually going to do it on this car because we're doing the starter and the intake's off. I can go in there and just do a maintenance service for this car at 40,000 miles. And I just did a previous video that the intake valves are due. Your intake valve should not be full of oil and sludge and debris and contaminants. Not at all. So I'm trying to help you save money. I'm trying to help you not reduce your car bills with simple maintenance. And if you don't do the simple maintenance, then you're in for it. Thanks for watching.